previous video we have learned about square root, and we have done quick one over there, and now we are going to done part 1 about it. So if you recollect from that video, then a perfect square is a product of whole number which can be multiplied by itself. So if we give example, then 1 times 1 is 1, so the 1 is perfect square. 2 times 2 is 4, so the 4 is a perfect square. 9 is also a perfect square because its square root is 3. So there are 2 steps to find square root. The first one is prime factorization and the second one is algorithm. So there is again another method of finding square root, which we call it as interpreting square root, meaning we have the number which we estimate, which is not the exact. We will not get the exact value, but we will get the nearest value of it. So if we start with let's start with prime factorization. Prime factorization meaning you have understood that it means dividing with numbers, certain numbers, and dividing and making it 0. For example, for the prime factorization, if we do if we choose number 1, 2, 2, 5, 1225. So while doing prime factorization, you should keep in your mind that the numbers whose unit digit is 0, 2, 6, 8, meaning 0, 2, 6, 4 will be also there, 8, you can directly divide with 2. If the last unit digit is 0 or 5, then you directly divide with 5. So here in this case the unit digit is 5, so we will divide with 5. 1225 divided by 5 meaning 245, the product will come. So here is also unit digit 5, so directly divide by 5, which is 49, and 49 the unit digit is 9, meaning it is only divisible by 7. Here we will get 7, then direct 7 divided by 7, 1, finish. So 5 times 5 times 7 times 7, we have to take this to 5, 5, 7, 7. From here 5 times 7 is equal to 35. 35 is the square root of 1000, or prime factorization, we will get this product. So while doing this, we should keep in our mind that if the number is like this, then this is known as base and this as power. So the another thing, if we do another question, then 400, for example, if we take 400, then 0, 0, both the unit digit 0 we can do with 2 also, we can do with 5 also. So if you feel you can do with 5, then do with 5. If you feel 2 is easy for you, then directly do with 2. 4 divided by 2, 2 double zeros, direct 2, 100 divided by 2, 50 divided by 2, 25. 25 you can directly divide with 5 because last unit digit is 5. So if the last unit digit is 5, then we can directly divide with 5. So there will be 5. So directly divide with 5. 1, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 times 5 times 5, 5, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 times 2 times 5 is equal to 2 to 4, 4 times 5, 20. sorry, we wrote 20. So you can write an answer as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Like this you can write. So if we move next on algorithm is all about dividing numbers only, but thing is the steps are different. So in algorithm what we have to do is, if we write for with this number, if this is not perfect square, then we should write number here which is close to it. For example, 20 is the perfect square, then if you write 5, then we have to write here 25. So the number 25 is greater than 20, so we can have to write 4 which will come as 16 for remainder. So one step I forgot, that is we have to make pair of this. So while making pair, then we have to do, for example, we have did here 4 times. So we know that we have to pair from left to right. Left to right we have to pair. What we have to do, pair the numbers 2 to 2. So what the next step is, we have to add this number and we will get 8 over here, and we have to keep space over here. So to find this exact number, then you should watch this value. This is the chat which is very important while solving algorithms, because if the last unit digit is 1, then you can directly try with 1 or 8 or 9. If the unit digit is 4, then we can multiply with 2 and 8. If the unit digit is 9, then we can directly multiply with 3 and 7. If the unit digit is 6, then 4 and 6 we have to multiply. But if the unit digit is 5, then directly multiply with 5, you will get the answer. So the last unit digit is 5, then you can directly try with 5. 85 times 5, 25, meaning 5 over here, 2 over here, 5 4s are 40, 41, 42, you got the answer. 42, cross, 5, the product is 45. So the next number we would like to try is 289. We have to pair from left to right, so 1 so 1 so 2 isn't a perfect square, so 1 times 1 is 1, so remainder 1, then pair comes 89. Then what we have to do, plus 8, meaning 1 is 2, 1 space over here. So if the last unit digit is 9, then you should try with 7 or 3. So let's try with 7. So we will try with 7. 7 times 7 is 49, 9, 4, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4 is 18. So we got the answer as 7. So algorithm is only this much. What we have to know about the algorithm is, first we have to pair, and we have to directly write about the perfect squares. So I hope you understood our topics. If you don't understand our topic or the concept, then please let us know in our Facebook page, and please like, subscribe, share to your friends, and please try to go through different types of questions and try until you success. Thank you.